Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel again. We are coming a long way with the control engineering methods. Today I will show you how to use a PID controller at the plant to stable the system. In here system is that the cart and the pendulum. So we have to stable the inverted pendulum at the top. By using manually we couldn't end up with a good result. So we can try and build PID controller to stable the system. Now you already know how to design a close loop. In here we can use the PID controller to take the error with the angle. This is not tuned. Double-click on the controller and open the settings. You can see the controlling part separately. PI, PD, PI, and PID. Also you can manually adjust the gains in here also. What we have done at the last video. But I'm not able to do that so accurately. See what we have here. And find the error what I have done at there. Here you can do this manually but it is not necessary. Because we have a tuner. Click on it to open it. You can adjust the upper bars to get the stable curve. Now it is okay. Look how simple it is. Then apply the results and come to outside. We have all negative values. But I have tried only positive values. So, at that values I will never going to stable the system. This is that error I have done. But it is okay now we are going to have it. So, run and see this. Slow down the speed and see. I told that this is very accurate other than manual handling. You can see the previous curve here to take an idea. I'm going to increase the stable time little bit. This is okay now. You can also try this. See the results and get close look at it. You can see after it has been stabled, it has a movement to right side. You can do many things in here. In here I will zero the D value. Now it is like PI controller. I think it can't be stable. But it is trying to stable. Finally it is falling. In here you can change the controller type and see what's happening to the system. Also you can tune it to get a stable point. This is going to be the end of this video. Hope you will get the idea to design this without any doubts. So in the next video I will show you how to use scope to get the curves and the additional task that we are having an external force to the system, how we are going to control it. Hope you all will subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Leave your comments in here. Also send you problems to me by the given links. See you all in the next video.